Yes. Hi, students. I hope you had a great weekend. For today's show and tell, this is an elephant from India that probably dates back to the 1950s. Take a close look. Here we go. And this is a lovely letter from the White House. Uh, just letting you know you got your stimulus check from the one and only President Trump. Look at that ugly signature. So basically, a lot of people got their stimulus checks direct deposit, just straight into their checking account. But our president felt it necessary to send a letter, basically just with his signature on it, to take credit. What do you think of that? I don't know. Okay, here's a quick little tutorial about today's daily assignment. There's two ways of accessing this lesson. The easiest would be to go to your Google form. It should look something like this, and just click this link. Let's see if it works. The class code should be in there already, and just press join. Obviously, if that does not work, you can just go to student.desmos.com, type in this class code, and then obviously you do not need to sign in. Yay, Desmos again. So what you're going to do in this activity is oops, sorry. Okay, sorry. So what you're going to do in this activity is actually your goal is to make each of these equations true using addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and you can also use parentheses for order of operations. Obviously, remember PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And you can draw directly on the problem. But if you put a plus right here, you also have to put a plus right there. Okay, so they have to be identical. So here, our goal is to make 4. So I think if you could figure out one way to do it, you could usually figure out another way. What did I do last time? 2, this is embarrassing. 7 minus 5 is 2 plus 2. Okay, so if we do 7 minus 5, that will get us 2. And if we add 2, that will get us 4. Let's see if it works here. 4 minus 2 is 2. We add 8, we get 10. But since we want to do subtraction first, we have to put parentheses around these two. Then, not for this one, because I actually give you the answer, I think. Oh, I guess we don't have to put parentheses. Sorry, because, right, 2 plus 7 is 9, minus 5 is 4. You can, but you're right, you don't have to. I'm sorry. And then what I want you guys to do is, in your Google form, obviously this will start at puzzle 3, and I just gotta change it a little bit. All you're gonna do is, is type in your answer. So if you got 2 plus 7 minus 4, and you're gonna start with puzzle 3, but I'm just giving an example. 2 plus 7 minus 4, and then press enter, and what was your next one? 8 plus 4 minus 2. And then you could probably just write what they equal, that's fine. Okay, so that's basically it. That's your daily check-in for today. I will have a week-long assignment probably at the end of the day or early tomorrow. And I will finish putting grades in the grade book and updating them today. Promise. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Bye.